The new generation Mahindra Thar SUV has been crash tested by Global NCAP and has scored 4 stars for adult occupant protection. That makes the Thar India's safest off-roader and also the second Mahindra vehicle to receive 4 stars. Now surprisingly, it also got 4 stars in child occupant protection, and it is the highest aggregate score there from any of the cars that have been tested by Global NCAP. Global NCAP's Alejandro Furas said, "This test shows that it is possible to offer good safety performance in the Indian market. It is encouraging to see manufacturers that also offer high levels of protection for children traveling in their vehicles."
Safety of our vehicle occupants has never been second priority to us. Though it's becoming much more in highlight, visible because of star rating. We were one of the early adopters of putting in airbags.
Yes.
So it's not that the safety has suddenly become important for us, but what has changed is that now we have much better tools and much better technical knowledge to put in safety in all aspects of the vehicle.
The Thar was tested with its standard safety equipment that includes dual airbags and ABS or anti-lock brakes. We would like to clarify that the test applies to the soft-top version of the car too, as even its retrofitted hardtop is not a structural element. In the frontal test, the adult crash test dummies showed the car offering adequate protection to the head, neck and chest area. The driver side footwell though was rated unstable, and this was the only reason that the Thar missed out on a likely 5-star score. The footwell was not deemed as dangerous, however, as Global NCAP clarified to Car and Bike. The result was some injury seen on the knee area. Overall, the Thar's body shell did receive a stable rating. The car was tested for side impact protection as well and meets the UN 95 regulation for the same. On child occupant protection, the car came closer still to a 5-star score. The front-facing bench offers ISOFIX child seat anchors and 3-point seat belts for rear passengers. The Thar's test showed nearly complete protection for child occupants. The significant development here is that for this score to hold as valid, Mahindra must offer this configuration as standard, meaning the variant with side-facing seats without seat belts has been phased out. While ESC or electronic stability control is not standard on the Thar, the car's ESC variant was tested for its stability, and here the result was not satisfactory. Although the car meets minimum regulatory requirements, it displayed an unstable dynamic behavior that will need some improvement. Mahindra says it's already assessing the results to quickly make the changes that are necessary, and it's also considering making ESC standard on the Thar. The Thar is the 4th Mahindra model to be tested by Global NCAP under its Safer Cars for India program. The Scorpio was the first in 2016 and it received a 0-star rating. But since then, Mahindra has really turned things around, in fact even committing that no new model thereon would drop below 4 stars. The Marazzo was tested in 2018 and brought M&M its first 4 stars. And then, in January this year, we had the XUV 300 get not only 5 stars, but also achieve the highest aggregate score for any Indian-made vehicle. The only other cars from India with 5 stars are the Tata Altroz and Nexon. No global OEM's Indian operations have produced a 5-star car as yet in India. Other made-in-India cars with a 4-star score have been the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Tata Tiago and Tigor and Zest, the Toyota Etios Leva and Volkswagen Polo.